Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to run an internet speed test and turn on meter connection on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to settings, type settings and select this. After opening settings, go to network and internet. Then move to Ethernet. As you can see, this second option. Go here. Now you can see scroll down a bit. In the related support you can see and run an internet speed test. It will directly take you to the home page. After clicking on it, click on it. Now as you can see here, my window is open. Now to run a speed test on this web page, click on start. Now it is starting. It will check my latency, download speed as well as my upload speed. As you can see here, I don't have to download any alternate app to run an internet speed test. Directly checking my internet speed. As you can see here, 18.46 MB per second is my download speed. Now it's checking my upload speed. It will take some few seconds to check your internet speed test. Now as you can see here, my latency is 48 meter per second and upload is 2.43, not that bad. Now to turn on your meter, go to settings option again. As you can see here, click on it. Now scroll up. Now you can see the meter connection option. Some apps might work differently. Click on and turn it on. So guys, this was my video to how to run an internet speed test on your Windows 11. I hope you like it and thanks for watching, and guys don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one.